Looking for the best electric bikes in 2026? In this video, we've picked some of the top e-bikes that combine performance, comfort, and value. Whether you need a bike for daily commuting, long rides, or off-road adventures, there's something here for you. We've compared different styles and features, from powerful motors and long battery range to comfort and design, so you can easily find the right electric bike for your needs. Check the links below to see the latest prices and find the best deals. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile electric bike that can handle almost any terrain, the Funhang 1000-watt electric bike is a really solid option to start with. It comes with a 1000-watt peak motor, giving you strong acceleration and a top speed of around 25 miles per hour, which is perfect for both commuting and outdoor rides. What makes it stand out is the 26-inch fat tires, so whether you're riding on city roads, sand, snow, or rough trails, you'll get great stability and grip. You also get a 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour removable battery, offering up to 60 miles of range with pedal assist, which is more than enough for daily use. For comfort, it includes a front suspension system and a 7-speed gear setup, making rides smoother even on bumpy roads. It also comes with a rear cargo rack, lights, and an LCD display, which makes it practical for everyday commuting or even small deliveries. Overall, this is a great choice if you want a powerful, all-terrain e-bike with long range and solid features at a good value. Now, if you want something that feels powerful but also smart and comfortable for daily riding, the Puckuppy Golden Retriever Pro is a really interesting option. Compared to the previous bike that focused more on long range, this one brings a more balanced mix of power, comfort, and control. It comes with a 1,600-watt dual motor setup, reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, which is more than enough for city rides and light off-road use. But what really makes it stand out is the torque sensor, which adjusts the power based on how hard you pedal, giving you a much more natural riding experience while also saving battery. Speaking of battery, you get a 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour removable battery, offering up to 80 miles of range, which is great for daily commutes and weekend rides. It also features a full suspension system with fat tires, so rides feel smooth even on rough roads, plus hydraulic disc brakes for solid and safe stopping power. And as a bonus, it comes with a full accessory package like a rear rack, mirrors, phone holder, and more, which adds extra value right out of the box. Overall, this is a great pick if you want an e-bike that's comfortable, smart, and well-equipped for both city and light off-road riding. If you don't need extreme speed like the earlier models, this one offers a more practical and comfortable everyday experience. Now, if you're looking for something that balances power and insane range, the FREESKY dual battery e-bike is easily one of the most impressive options on this list. Unlike the previous bike that focuses more on raw power, this one is all about long-distance performance without sacrificing speed. It features a 4,000-watt peak motor with a top speed of around 40 miles per hour, so it's still very powerful. But where it really stands out is the battery. You get a dual battery system, 48 volts, 41 ampere hours, delivering up to 160 miles of range, which is honestly crazy and perfect for long commutes or full-day rides. It also comes with a full suspension system and 26-inch fat tires, so whether you're on the road or off-road, the ride stays smooth and comfortable. For safety, it includes high-performance hydraulic brakes, giving you strong stopping power even at high speeds. Overall, if you want an e-bike that gives you long range, strong performance, and all-terrain comfort, this is one of the best choices you can go for. If the last one was all about extreme power, this one is more about balance and endurance. Now, if you want something way more powerful than the previous option, the E-Bycco 6,000-watt dual motor e-bike is on a completely different level. This bike comes with dual motors and up to 6,000 watts peak power, delivering insane acceleration and a top speed of around 40 to 45 miles per hour, which is seriously fast for an e-bike. It also features a massive 52-volt, 32-ampere-hour battery, giving you up to 100 miles of range, making it perfect for long-distance rides or heavy use. You also get a full suspension system with fat tires, so even on rough terrain, trails, or off-road conditions, the ride stays smooth and stable. For safety, it's equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, giving you strong and reliable stopping power, especially at higher speeds. Now, to be honest, this might be a bit overkill for casual riders, but if you're someone who wants maximum power, speed, and off-road capability, this is easily one of the most impressive options you can go for. Now, if you thought the previous bikes were powerful, the eAhora Romeo Pro takes things to a whole new level. This is easily one of the most extreme e-bikes on this list, built for people who want maximum performance with no limits. Depending on the version, you can get up to 5,600 watt dual motor power, with top speeds reaching up to 50 miles per hour, which is honestly insane for an electric bike. But the real highlight here is the battery. You're looking at a massive 60-volt, 80-ampere-hour setup, giving you up to 200 plus miles of range, making it perfect for long-distance rides, delivery work, or serious adventures. It also comes with a full adjustable suspension system and fat tires, so even at high speeds or rough terrain, the ride stays stable and comfortable. On top of that, you get app control, smart LCD display, and a full 360-degree lighting system, adding both convenience and safety, especially for night rides. Overall, this is the perfect choice if you want an e-bike that delivers maximum power, extreme range, and top-tier features without compromise. If the last bikes were about balance or comfort, this one is all about going all in on performance. All right, that wraps up our list of the best electric bikes you can buy in 2026. As you saw, each bike has its own strengths, so it really comes down to what you need the most: power, range, or everyday comfort. If you want to check the latest prices or grab one of these bikes, all the links are in the description below. And trust me, some of these deals don't last long, especially on the more popular models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.